In this video, we are going to talk about work plane, basically the concept of work plane. What is a work plane? Work plane is basically a coordinate system. So if you look at this screen here, you can see a coordinate system here. You can see, okay, the coordinate system starts at 0, that's the x, that's the y. It's a 0 for the model. So you can say that the work plane is now defined with z is equal to 0 and the x-axis of the current coordinate system parallel to the major x-axis coordinate system, and the y-axis parallel to the major y-axis coordinate system, and z parallel to z. I can redefine this coordinate system by picking a different origin. So I go to View, Work Plane, using one point. So I'm going to pick here on the same plane, and you can see the UCS icon has moved there. The coordinate system icon has moved here. So if I put a point here now, and inquire the point, select that, right click, inquire. The local coordinate system is x0, y0 and z0, but the global coordinate system is slightly different. You can see that the x is 6000, y is 4000, z is equal to 0. So the model has an origin, that is the global coordinate system, where x0, y0, z0. And then you can go and define your own local coordinate system depending upon what you want to do at a particular point of time. Now let me create a new view at a different z value. Let me create a 3000. Create. So I go to the normal view. I put a point. From the edit menu, points at any point. So I'm going to put a point here. This view I opened at 3000, so I'm going to select this one, and inquire. So you can see the local coordinate system is 3000, the global coordinate system is that value. Now let me change the coordinate system again. I go to work plane, parallel to x, y, z. I'm going to reset it to the model origin, which is 0, x, y, and 0. Change. Now let me again inquire this one. You can see the local coordinate system and the global coordinate system is matching. I'm going to copy this point in the z direction by 300. So you can see that I have copied that. Now I'm going to set the work plane using one point. So using one point, I'm going to pick this point. And you can now see that the UCS have moved there. So I inquire this point, that should be at 0, 0 for the local. So you can see x0, y0, z0 local, but for the global, it is at 3000, 4000, and 3300. I can set work plane using 2 points. So if I go here using 2 points, I select that and select, this is going to be the x-axis. I select this point here, and you can see the coordinate system has now rotated with the first point as the origin, and the second point, the direction of the x-axis. The RL, where it is this UCS will be parallel to the previous UCS, which was existing already. Please experiment with this. You need to understand this properly. Now I'm going to create work point using 3 points. So first click is the origin. The second click is the x-axis direction. The third click is the y-axis direction. And you can see that that's the x, that's the y, and the z will be in this direction. Now let me open a new view using View menu. A new view using 2 points. And here is a new view. You can see the global UCS is here, that is the model origin, 0, that's the x, that's the y, and the z. the current local coordinate system is here. We have opened a view not at the local 0. It is at some distance. Now we can set the coordinate system to the current view. Let me go to plan view, and so I go to here, work plane, parallel to view plane. So view plane is not at the same place as where we have the UCS. It's somewhere a little bit away. So I go to view, work plane, parallel to view plane. And now you can see that the UCS has shifted to the view plane. The rule of shifting, the origin it maintained. It projected the origin to the view plane and set the UCS at that position. You still have to experiment a few times to understand this properly. What are the other methods of setting coordinate systems? You can set the coordinate system to the path plane. You can set to path front plane, top plane, back plane, etc. So what are the other methods to set the user coordinate system? You can set user coordinate system to various path planes. So if we go work plane and select this path, you can see the user coordinate system appearing at your mouse. We select here, see the X direction, the X points along the X-axis. So if I go again and put that, you can see this one is going that way. Let us experiment at various positions. So you can set your coordinate system to anything you want.